to view photos and videos from Instagram on your TV via the JioPhotos app. To view Instagram photos and videos, open JioPhotos app on your Jio Set Top Box. If you haven't connected any pen drive, hard drive or account before, click on the Instagram icon on the home screen to log into your Instagram account. If you have already connected a pen drive, hard drive or logged into any other account, go to the Settings tab and click on Add Account. Choose Instagram from the options. Enter username and password to log into your Instagram account. After logging in, select any tab, Photos, Memories or Albums to view your Instagram photos and videos. And that's it! All your Instagram photos and videos will be displayed with the Instagram icon. This way, you can view photos and videos from Instagram on your TV via the JioPhotos app.